Hi friends! Let's cut straight to the sparkle. Being stylish doesn't have to mean being rich. It means being resourceful. It means knowing that glam isn't bought, it's built. Brick by glittering brick. And let me tell you something, Barbie didn't become a global icon by swiping platinum cards. No honey. She got there by turning creativity into couture. Yes, you have everything it takes to dress like $1,000,000, even if you're working with 10. Because fashion isn't about the price tag, it's about the power tag. The energy you carry, the statement you make, the way you walk into a room and make jaws drop without dropping your entire paycheck. Barbie knows that luxury is a state of mind. Confidence is always in style. And baby, it's free. You don't need a stylist. You don't need a glam squad. You just need vision and maybe a pair of scissors, a glue gun, and a dream. Every thrift store is a treasure chest. Every flea market is a runway waiting to happen. Every clearance rack, that's where the magic hides. I've seen girls turn $5 denim jackets into designer-level masterpieces with a little lace, a little paint, and a whole lot of Barbie energy. You want to dress like you're worth a fortune? Start believing you are one. Style isn't in the brand, it's in the boldness. The way you wear it, the way you own it, the way you strut through the world, like the queen of a kingdom you built from scratch. Fashion is not about following trends, it's about setting them. And trends don't care about your budget. They care about your aura. You could wear a paper bag and still turn heads if you believe in the girl wearing it. Barbie has been a cowgirl, an astronaut, a president, and a mermaid, and guess what? She did it all with the same fearless heart. And so can you. So let's talk strategy. Step 1. Know your vibe. Know your colors, your textures, your silhouettes. Be the curator of you. When you shop, don't just look at what it is. Look at what it could be. Ask yourself, can I crop this? Can I layer this? Can I Barbie-fy this? There's no such thing as boring clothes, only unawakened potential. Take a white tee. Basic. Maybe. But you? Never. Tie it, tuck it, belt it, layer it. Make it scream you from across the street. A budget is not a barrier. It's a blueprint. A puzzle. A challenge that turns you into an artist. Accessories? They're not extras, they're essentials. Thrifted scarves become headbands. Costume jewelry becomes centerpieces. And shoes? Oh, darling, don't get me started. I've seen flats become stilettos with a glue gun and some rhinestones. Trust me, Barbie's done it all. You think style lives in Paris? In Milan? No, love. Style lives in your bedroom mirror, in your Pinterest board, in your imagination. Barbie doesn't wait to be chosen. She chooses herself. Every single day. So if your budget says save, then get smart. Get sassy. Get strategic. Swap clothes with your friends. Turn old jeans into high-waisted shorts. Bleach them. Bedazzle them. Make them sing. Host a closet party. Trade, mix, remix. Let your inner designer come out to play. Watch DIY videos like your future depends on it because it might. Your future self is watching. She's waiting. And she looks fabulous. Learn to sew. Learn to crop. Learn to transform. You don't need to buy new, you need to see new. And honey, let's talk confidence. Because that's the outfit that never goes out of style. You could walk into a room in a potato sack and still be the most captivating woman there if your energy is right. Barbie has worn the same outfit 50 different ways because she knows it's not about what's on you. It's about what's in you. You are your own designer label. Your name is the brand. Your life is the runway. And here's a little secret. The most stylish women in the world, they're not rich. They're intentional. They dress with purpose, with pride, with personality. They turn secondhand into second to none. Barbie believes in glam for all. Not just the wealthy. Not just the influencers. Everyone. Because fashion is freedom. And freedom belongs to all of us. Never underestimate the power of a thrifted blazer and a killer attitude. That combo can take you places. So the next time you say, I have nothing to wear, pause, breathe, and get creative. Because that's the moment Barbie would rise. She'd tie a belt around a cardigan and call it a revolution. She'd wear a tutu over jeans just because why not? You don't need permission. You need imagination. Fashion isn't about impressing others, it's about expressing yourself. You are a walking masterpiece. And every day is another chance to paint the canvas. So wear the neon, wear the vintage, wear the dramatic sleeves, the wild prints, the mismatched earrings. Make mistakes, make statements, make magic. Because when you dress on a budget, you're not limiting yourself. You're liberating yourself. You're saying, watch me shine no matter the price tag. Barbie believes in sparkle without debt, glam without guilt, fashion with freedom. So wear your truth, your power, your resourcefulness. High friend style isn't about how much you spend. It's about how much of you you're willing to show. And when you lead with love, boldness, and creativity, trust me, they'll never forget you. Now, go out there, fashion icon, and turn your budget into a masterpiece. Barbie style.